feel that this site is one of the finest industrial sites in the state of Michigan.
Right off the top, we now know what is in store for the huge former GM plant on 36th Street in Wyoming. City officials made that big announcement just over an hour ago. And 24-Hour News 8's Tony Talavia is live in Wyoming right now with the very latest on this developing story. Tony?
Good afternoon, Brett. A developer from the east side of the state is buying this property and will partner with the city of Wyoming to redevelop it. The first order of business will be tearing this more than 70-year-old plant, 2 million square feet, tearing that all down. Then the plan is to redevelop. The plan for tear down and cleanup will take about 18 months, and then this site will be marketed to job providers, perhaps one large manufacturer surrounded by its suppliers, or two slightly smaller manufacturers. Local economic development group The Right Place is expected to be very heavily involved in that. Leaders there say they aren't going to blanket advertise this site to any employer. They're looking at a specific list of employers who will provide good-paying jobs. We spoke with the mayor of Wyoming about this major announcement today.
Great relief for the city of Wyoming, and also real excitement because we've got such qualified people that are here that have worked for years, and we're hoping to be able to put some of these people back to work right in the same property where they once worked.
Everyone who spoke at this news conference this morning, city officials, the developer, the people with the old GM company, touted the advantages of this site: freeway visibility, freeway access, rail access. You heard the developer there say they believe this is one of the best industrial sites in the state of Michigan. One key advantage for this site is that the old GM, the Motors Liquidation Company, will be responsible for any environmental problems really into the future forever, and that company will also take care of cleaning up the soil that now sits beneath this plant. Later today on 24-Hour News 8, we will take a look at the company that's coming in to redevelop this, Lormax Stern, out of Bloomfield Hills. We'll tell you about the other projects they've worked on both here in Kent County and on the other side of the state. Live in Wyoming, Tony Talavia, 24-Hour News 8.